Hey guys, welcome back to Sipping with Suze. We are going to make our green tea gimlet today. It's super tasty, so smooth, and so easy to make when you're at a party or anything, just to even impress your friends or maybe even your date this holiday season. So we are going to start with 2 ounces of our Green Owl Vodka, green tea vodka. So it's going to give it that really nice, delicious, smooth green tea taste with our gimlet. So we're gonna start 2 ounces with that, and then we're gonna squeeze about 2 limes. Kind of depends how big your limes are, but it's gonna be about an ounce and a half of lime juice, depending on how sour you like your cocktails. Usually, I'm a kind of sour girl, so we're gonna do 2 full limes. Perfect. Now, we're just gonna use a small amount of agave, about half an ounce. Because of all of that citrus, we want to add some sweet in. And agave is just my favorite. It's super, super tasty and doesn't taste as, white sugar as if you're using a simple syrup. The agave is really nice. And if you wanted to sub in honey, I do recommend you use it with half honey, half water. So you kind of dilute the honey before you put it in your cocktail, if you'd like to use that. Now, all we have to do is put ice in and shake it really hard. All right. Okay, there we go. We're going to use our coupe glass for this one. You can use a coupe or a martini. I love the look of a coupe, so we're going to use that today. And we're just going to pour it in. Super simple. Gorgeous. So last but certainly not least, we have our garnish. I like to just use a lime wheel. Super easy to cut and just makes it look really fresh and professional. And there you have it, the adorable Green Owl Green Tea Gimlet. Cheers.